Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy Ripple or XRP on crypto.com app. In order to do this, you first have to launch your crypto.com application. Now once you are on the home page, you are going to see this buy button. So you simply need to tap on buy and then you will be landed on this buy cryptocurrency page where you are going to see various cryptos that you can buy on crypto.com. Now as we want to buy XRP or Ripple, you need to use this search bar, and in the search bar you simply need to search for XRP. Now once you have found XRP, you simply need to tap on it and then you will be landed on its chart where you are going to see various information relating to XRP. Now here you will have to enter the amount that you want to spend in order to purchase XRP. You can even use these quick presets like $25, $100 or $500. If you want to add your own amount, then you will have to just enter the amount of XRP that you want to purchase and it will automatically show you the equivalent USDT that you need to pay. After that, you will be able to see bunch of different options that you can use to buy the crypto that you have selected, which in our case is XRP. It is showing me Google Pay, but if I want to pay with credit or debit card, you will have to tap on the add payment method option, and here you will have to select the credit or debit card option. Once done, you will be landed on the next page where you need to provide your card details like your name on your card number, its expiration date, and then you need to tap on the add card button. You will see that 0.10 Australian dollars authorized hold appear on your statement, so you won't be charged. So after adding your payment method, you just have to tap on the pay option in the bottom. On the next page, you just have to conclude your payment, and this way you will be able to easily get Ripple on crypto.com. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.